Guys, since I got to Ecuador, this is the first time I'll be getting fish that they don't clean from the market for me, because I got it from a car and the guy said there's no space for them to cut it. So I'm going to be removing the scale, and I even got the one that has scale. So I'm going to be removing the scale and be cutting. I don't know how it's going to come out, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to try and remove the scale. Let's see how easy it's going to look, okay? So let's go. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is actually like the part 2 of the last vlog I did, but the vlog, I don't want it to be too long. That was why I removed this one from the vlog. So if you're new on this channel, you are really welcome. I welcome you, and if you're a return subscriber, thanks for tuning in once again. My name is TEMI'S Grace, and I film from Ecuador in South America. I film about my lifestyle and the food I eat here as an African in Ecuador, since there is no African store here, and I show my students and a whole lot of things that is happening around me. So let's go. So at first, you want to remove the scale of the fish, and you want to start from the tail, right? You don't want to start from the head, because the scale is actually slipping from the head to the tail. So you want to start from the tail and you want to remove it. And you want to be very careful if your knife is very sharp, so you will remove the skin of the fish. So you have to be very careful removing that, and you need to be very mindful of your hand so that you won't hurt yourself either. Okay, so you have to be very careful. So when you're done with the front, you turn it to the back and you remove the scale like that. It was just going smoothly like that. Sometimes here in Ecuador they use something like, I don't know how that thing is, it looks like a brush. That is what they use in removing it in the market, but I use knife, and I tried to check the head if there are any scale in the head, but there was no scale in the head. Yeah, I did it, and it's very easy. Even if I get it from the market, they won't clean it like this. Can you see? I finished it. I removed all the scales. I'm so proud of myself. So let's do the third one. So there's another thing I learned from them. They normally cut the fish in the middle like this to remove all the dirt inside. Can you see? So this is the way they clean their fish. So you just remove all the dirt at once. Okay, actually, yeah, if you want to cut the middle, you need to start right under the head, like the way I did, right under the head. So you need to like cut it down to the tail. Some people normally start from one side from the tail, but I don't know. So you need to start from the head to the tail to cut it down. Then you remove the dirt inside and clean it very well, very well. So after that, you're going to clean with water, like clean very well with water, and I'll finish cleaning the 3 year. So after the first cleaning, now I want to cut it into pieces, and I noticed that there are still dirt. Actually, I like my fish to be bloodless. If there's any English like that, I just like to remove all the blood. I know it's not possible, right? But I just try to remove any blood I see in the fish. So that's what I'm doing now. So now if you want to cut, you need to cut right under that fin, that head fin. That's where you're gonna cut from. You want to cut, if you know you sharpen your knife together like that, let me know in the comment section. So I like my head to still have a little flesh, so that's why I cut a little flesh with the head. So I'm just going ahead to cut into pieces. I actually cut it like into 4, because I'm the only one eating. I can cut it as small as I want or as big as you want. Anyhow you want it. You can cut it into 2 if you like. You can cut the head away if you like. You might not even cut it at all if you like, you know now. So right now I'm going to be using scissors to cut away those fins. I kind of noticed scissors is actually very easy to use to cut away the tail and all the fins around the body, because if I say I should be using knife, I will have to like start hammering the knife on it, which is not always looking nice. I don't know where I learned this style from, using scissors. I don't really know where I learned it from, but I think Chinese people normally use scissors to do their cuttings, so it's actually very easy for me, and I don't really like much of that fin, especially the tail. I don't really like it, so that's what I'm just doing, like going ahead to cut it, and after that I'm going to clean again and put it in the bowl. Then I'm going to season. My scissors, I love to, I will rinse it and clean it so that we need dogun. Konidogun simply means so that it won't get rust. Have you rust? So I'm going to be seasoning my fish. That's curry. That's Maggi. The salt. This garlic. I'm not cooking today. I'm going to cook it tomorrow. I'm going to cook my stew tomorrow, so I'm just going to put it in the fridge like this. So clap for me if I did a great job. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, drop your comments at the comment section. Let's connect there, and remember to stay safe. I love you guys. Bye.